Okay, good morning guys and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm actually in my car, well, our car, getting ready because you know we're girls driving now, baby. Okay, so this is going to be a get ready with me in the car. Let me show you guys everything that I have and give you guys a bit of an update. So these are definitely the essentials. Fenty Beauty, it's just a must. My brushes, elf, pomade, you'll see them, mascara, Sasha Cosmetics till the day I die, guys. More do the till it look bad. Alright, so Artist Couture, Sasha, Pony, Sasha, and all that stuff. Alright, so let's LA Pro Conceal, LA Pro Primer. So let's do this. Alright, so my mother has gone into the bank and I'm out here just waiting on her. So just a little update, you guys. So I had breakthrough the other when was it? When did I have breakthrough? A couple weeks ago I had breakthrough, and I was rehearsing, in the midst of the rehearsal schedule, which was very rigorous. Hold on, I hope I can fix this in post. Let me try something. Alright, see, it looks dark. Oh my god, I know this is too light. Okay, this looks better. So I had rehearsals, and on top of rehearsals I started a new workout program. Now whenever I start a new workout program, it takes, like, my body is basically shocked, like, so I'm introducing something new, so my body's like, oh, hold on girl, let me just get acclimatized. And not just my body, like the body in general, because the body always wants to adapt, that's what the Bible say, I crucify my flesh daily. Anyway, so the body always wants to adapt. So because of that, and the new workout routine that I'm doing, my hormone levels, I believe, or stress levels or whatever, it skyrocketed. Let me explain to you. I caught a staph infection. Hold on. Yeah, you sneeze on key all the time. Must have to turn on the AC. But anyway, yeah, so I asked the doctor, I was like, I am very lost. I don't know why I have impetigo when blood cleanse, gosh. So the doctor asked me, if anything has happened, I don't know. I asked her if stress can be a factor for it to flare up, and she said yes, stress can definitely be a factor. Now I noticed that whenever I start a new workout program, I noticed it with I switched up my diet, and I'm going to be doing a video on my Lyric Uncut channel about that. I keeping all my fitness stuff on my Lyric Uncut channel, just so that there's some form of separation, and so that there is just somewhere for you guys to go. Also, I'm trying to get that channel up to 30,000 subscribers by September, and I want to get this channel to 250,000 by December 3rd. That's my birthday. I know that's a really huge margin, but hey, go hard or go home, right? I noticed, I'm just trying to figure out how I can basically de-stress my body or not to overexert myself or whatever from an emotional standpoint. Yesterday we went to Montego Bay. I'm gonna tell you guys, I fell asleep on my way to Montego Bay. I need to turn the AC, I'm really hot. Where's the car key? I fell asleep on my way to Montego Bay, and then I fell asleep coming back from Montego Bay. I'm taking supplements, and with taking supplements is like in pill form, and then I'm taking the medication, plus I'm taking pre-workout, post-workout. You guys, I'm telling you, I got so bloated. It was like my belly was stiff and it wasn't that big, but my belly was stiff and very, very far out, and I was like, oh my god, what have I done to myself? And I was wondering, what am I doing wrong? It immediately is like I started thinking about everything that I'm doing wrong, you know what I mean? And I was like, but I know I've changed some stuff, but I don't understand what's going on. And then I realized it was the medication that I'm on. So apart from getting the staph infection, right, and I think I had 3 whatever. Then I got otitis verna or some crap like that, where when they push objects in your ears and it make your ears like sore up. And I'm just like, what the hell is going on with my body? Guys, let me just say this. I don't know, me I should anything for scratch me ears, like ear pin, pen, pencil, book cover. I don't know. It's not no me I do it. Somebody like for know where I have a student, where I have a blood clean student. This is how it just come up on me. So I honestly just attributed everything to stress. I was like, well, must be stress. Because I don't know. And because I am like everything is changing now, and I'm taking my health and fitness journey way more seriously. I'm looking at it as a long term and not just a short term not just short-term results, but a long-term results, which would then result in a lifestyle change. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm looking towards now. So I am hella aware of my body, what my body's doing, what bloats me. Like day before yesterday, so today is Thursday at the time of me filming this. Thursday today, what date? Today is the May 3rd. At the time of me filming this, was it 9 to 9? May 3rd, and I got blow. I'm gonna eat rice when Monday night, I think. Monday night or Tuesday night. Is it a Monday or Tuesday? I'm gonna name rice. My blood cleanse. Yeah, is it the following morning? My belly was so bloated. I'm gonna tell you, I'm buy a large rice and peas up a cake. And I say, I never eat nothing from morning, you know what I mean? So I just use my foundation in Perfect Spice from Sasha Cosmetics. Come on, baby, focus for mama. Then I'm going in with Cool Tan. Guys, I'm sorry if the car is making that noise. I don't know if I've ever done a get ready with me before in my car. I know I've never done a get ready with me before in my car. I've vlogged in my car on my Lyric Uncut channel, so that's basically all I've done in terms of in the car. Oh gosh, I have so much I need to do before 12. I just need to hurry up. Music, let's talk about music, huh? So I do a lot of stuff, and I know I keep saying that, but the reason why I keep saying that is to just remind myself, like, girl, take it easy, right? I do a lot of stuff, and in the midst of me doing so much, Lord God, me for call back Kavan. In the midst of me doing so much stuff, when I do something on time, it's misconstrued as being I prioritize something above something else. Now let me just say this. I have been trying my best to respond to you guys in the comment section, so I find the best time to do that is when the video like just goes up, you know, and like I look over comments, and you guys might say something like yes thanks, or yes boo, or not like you honey, you know, like I'm trying my best where that is concerned, because the truth is success is not self-reliant. I don't know. Alright, so people who millionaires, cajillionaires, billionaires, I can't remember anyone who just started everything by themselves and they're doing it by themselves to attain wealth. You know, they need help, and as human beings we work. I don't know who I'm talking to right now, but as human beings we need help. As human beings we can't do it by ourselves, and we get so caught up in this bullcrap of all the ladies are independent, and like, bitch, I did this by myself, honey. Ain't no man gotta. It's not that serious. It's okay to share success. I think we have gotten so selfish that success is just all you, and it's deeper than just success being all you. It's more like, why would you want it to be all about you? Why wouldn't you want success to, like, why wouldn't you want help in achieving your goals? And it goes to this whole me, myself, and I mentality. We glorify self-sufficiency, which, as nature has taught you, is not it makes, as human beings, it makes no sense to think that you're self-sufficient, because self-sufficiency meaning I did everything all by myself, no thanks to nobody else. There is a bout of arrogance that can be birthed from that, and when arrogance is birthed from that, my battery is about to die. When arrogance is birthed from that, then you're left alone with your thoughts. You know, you're left alone with your thoughts, and if you're like me, your thoughts will get the best of you, and that's when depression kicking. That's when nobody loves me, nobody cares. I have to do this all by myself. Yo, for the women who've raised their children all by themselves, kudos to you. Like, that shit's hard, but don't ever despise help. Don't despise help. And I'm talking to myself, because I despise help. I don't want nobody taking any glory for what I've done, for what I've built. And I come off as being arrogant, I come off as being a bitch, and that's not the aim, but it's just in my head, somewhere in my head, I've been taught, yo dog, just get this thing by yourself, bro. You know what I mean? And as a married woman, that makes no sense whatsoever. I mean, we treat men like shit so much times. We treat them like sorry, I'm thinking about how I'm going to act this out, so I'm laughing. Nigga, I got this shit. Nah, I got this fool. This fool come talking about what I buy. Bitch, I bought what I wanted to buy. The hell? You know, it may come off like that a lot of times, buttercup. But, and it's just how we've been cultured. It's just how we've been cultured, you guys. And you can't say that songs don't have any influence or whatever, but that has its music. If you do not know the power of music, I feel really bad for you. I feel bad for you. The reason why music is so powerful is because words are powerful, and music is words. You know, whenever I'm writing a song, this is going to sound demonic, but when I'm writing a song, and I can't say spiritual because people won't see it as spiritual. I have to and see, that's my negative mind again. I said something negative before I go to positive. Anyway, whenever I write a song, it's like the beat, like the track speaks to me, and it's like it tells me what to write on it. Like the music, it literally speaks to me. Like I'll hear something, like I'll hear a track, and that words just literally come to me, and like how the music is moving, I move with the music. You know what I mean? So it speaks to you because it's words. Words are powerful. I'm a Christian and I believe in Jesus, right? And in what I believe, how the world or the universe came into existence is through words. And to me, that makes sense. Words are extremely powerful, and that's why you have to be careful. I have to be careful about what I say about myself too, because I am a negative. I'm telling y'all, I'm a negative person, and people always say don't say that, and I'm like, so if I'm why wouldn't I not say that? And it's the truth. You know, that's another excuse you use. Well, it's the truth. It's the truth. It's the truth. So you just spew dumb crap from your mouth because it's the truth. In Jamaica, we have a saying, and everything good for eat, good for talk. Meaning, it's not everything that comes to your mind, bubble, you should just spill out your mouth. You know, like, rein it in. Bring it in. You know, bring it in. Yeah, words are powerful, whether on secular songs or gospel songs, because they're words. That's powerful. I mean, sorry. Watch what you say. Alright? Spice from, what is his name again? Hey, Spice, as in the artist Spice. Anyway, so Perfect Spice from Sasha Cosmetics again. How would I mess up myself? I'm such a child when I'm getting ready. I am, what's the word? Petty. I'm turning off the car. As in, I am very petty. And I'm laughing because it's true. This is my Sasha foundation, Pro Foundation. So there's product in the brush already, so just using it to just go up here. So yeah, I am really, really, really petty, and if you say something to me, like I'm going to blow that up. Now, I'm saying all of this to say, I'm not saying, you know, be who you are, boo, like, do you, but I'm saying it to say, all of us, we are cognizant of who we are. We understand who we are. We've accepted who we are. And acceptance meaning you make excuses for who you are, you know. Like, I've done it several times in this video. Like, you know, alright guys, this is who I am, this is who I am, this is who I am, this is who I am. I've done it. Oh, that was my LA Pro Primer in black. I've done it several times in this video. I don't know why I decided, oh, mommy's back. I don't know why I decided to vlog today. Not vlog, to do this video today, but I did. Come, mommy, may I make one video? But you can't come in. You can't come. Oh, you want? Well, no, I can. Yeah, we've made excuses for who we are. And, you know, it's okay to be self-aware. But it's also okay to want to be a better version of yourself. It's okay to want to do better. It's okay to understand that this is how you are and you don't like it, and it's okay for a change. And you have to understand that whenever you are within that change, people are still going to see the old you. People are still going to see the person who they've come to know or like or don't like. So don't look for acknowledgement of your change through anybody else but yourself. Just know how you would have responded in a situation, and just know that you didn't respond that way. Good, then that's change. That's progress made. I think we don't look at progress made as anything anymore. It's like we despise progress. We don't look at progress as us changing or as a good thing, or we don't make a big deal. That's it, out of progress. And I think we should be making some big deals out of progress, because it's progress. You are better than you were like a couple weeks ago or whatever. You're doing better. You're deliberately trying to do better, and it's okay to reward yourself in that. Another thing, when it comes to rewarding yourself, watch your tub behind. I'm sitting broke off. This is my La Peach from Jacket Island. Oof, you know, start get warm again. In rewarding yourself, don't think food when you reward yourself, because I heard somewhere, I think it was TAMARAC who said it, that only like you reward animals with food, they don't reward human beings with food. So, and usually our food rewards are or cheat days or some cheat meal, or usually something that you shouldn't be having or shouldn't be doing. Reward yourself in other areas. Reward yourself with that bag that you've always wanted. Reward yourself with, you know what, I'm going to start a YouTube video. I'm going to do that now. Reward yourself with makeup. Reward yourself with going to the movies, like doing something for yourself. Go buy something, you know what I mean? Like, don't always think to reward yourself with food. Yes, I try my best to respond to videos, to comments, and even on Instagram and stuff. What I am horrible at is responding to Facebook comments. Oh my gosh, you guys, Facebook comments are the worst. I'm horrible at it. I really am horrible at it. This lash shine going to be the name like of praise in, I think it's in Hebrew. So you have like Yada, Toda, Zamar, Kara. Yada, Toda, Zamar, Kara, and there's another one, I can't remember, but there is it 4 or 5, but I have them written down. So those will be the name of the lashes. They'll basically be launched at a discounted price. Now the thing is, there will be only limited amount of lashes, so just get them while you still can. I don't know if I'm going to have them in stores. I think I'm just going to sell them online only, and figure out a way how you guys can order like via Nutsford and stuff. I like order online and I can ship it through Nutsford, if that makes sense. The belts, as usual, are at Draws by Needles. I've said this, I've been saying this. Hold on, mommy, you can zip up this for me. What do you? Why I hold it so? Right, there are Draws by Needles and also Hair Vibes Salon in Greater Portmore. Well, Hillside Plaza in Portmore, and I'm going to link them in the description, so it's easy for you to find. We're shipping online orders as well for small. All the belts will have small, medium, and large available, so that's pretty cool. So you can shop online, or you can go into the stores and get them there. Gosh, I'd have done my makeup in 20 minutes if it wasn't for my lashes. My lashes always playing me, man. So I'm going to wrap back my head know for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for staying with me. I wish I could have gone live with this look, but I don't have enough data to go live. Shoot, let's be honest, I ain't got no data at all to go live, honey. But yeah, so this wrap is from Sweet King Jazzy Baptiste on Instagram. So I'm going to tie a knot right here. Man, I wish there was somewhere I could charge my battery, but there is no way for me to charge my battery from the camera. So I'm going to tie it like that. And then do something like that, or I can like tuck it in. Tuck it in so, and then bring this around, and then tie it at the back, and then push it under like this, or push this over here. So I'm going to be putting on a bounce on it from Sasha Cosmetics, Jamaica. So this is the look. This is the look, you guys. This is the look that you just witnessed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these car videos, let me know, because you know it can be arranged or whatever. Again, guys, don't be afraid of your progress. Don't be afraid of being you, of being who you are, and don't be afraid to go out there, you know, take chances, create wealth for yourself and for your family. Don't ever be afraid of that. Don't be afraid of being you. I think we don't, as human beings, we don't give ourselves the props that we so richly deserve. We are capable of doing so much. Just look around at the buildings that we've built, the technology that has come out from us as human beings. You know, we're doing it, but we're doing it. So that's it for the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.